Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Cloudflare Verify You Are Human. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. A new tab will open with different options. Scroll down and focus on the Privacy and Security section. Inside this section, click Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up window will appear with several options. Make sure to check cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. Next, select the time range. For the most complete reset, choose All Time, then click Clear Data. The process only takes a few seconds. Once finished, restart your Chrome browser by closing it completely and opening it again. Now revisit the website that showed the Cloudflare verification page. In most cases, this should solve the issue and allow you to continue browsing smoothly. So that's basically how you can fix Cloudflare Verify You Are Human. That's it for this video. Thanks.